This morning we're going to be throwing together some chicken carnitas burrito bowls with cilantro, lime, cauliflower, rice. First step is to make our chicken carnitas. So we're going to start out with some chicken in our crock pot. Just going to put that in there. You're going to need about 1.5 pounds chicken, which for me it looks like is about 3 chicken breasts. Then we're going to go ahead and put in some seasoning. Need a teaspoon of cumin, just sprinkle that on top. A teaspoon of oregano. Half of a teaspoon of salt. About 4 cloves of garlic chopped. A tablespoon of chili powder. And a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then we have 3/4 of a cup of orange juice and a 1/4 cup of lime juice, and we're just going to pour that right on top. And that is our chicken carnitas, and then we're going to turn that on for 6 hours on low. Then we just put the lid on and we walk away. Okay, once your chicken is done cooking, take it out of the crock pot, put it in a bowl, and shred it up. Just pull it apart with 2 forks is the easiest way to do it. After we get it all shredded up, we're going to add in a little bit of the cooking juice. And then we're going to put it on a pan, a sheet pan, and we're going to broil it for 5 minutes. And then we're going to mix in some more of the juice and broil it for another 5 minutes so that you have some little crispy edges on the chicken. Alright, there's all the chicken shredded up. Just grab a measuring cup and pull out some of the juice and just drizzle it over the top. Give that a quick stir, make sure everything is coated. And then go ahead and dump it onto your sheet pan. And then just spread it out around the sheet pan, breaking up any big chunks as you go. And then we'll put this under the broiler for 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes under the broiler. So now we add a little more of our sauce. And then mix it up a little bit. Everything wet again. And then spread it back out, and we'll put it back under the broiler for 5 more minutes. So this is what it looks like after 5 more minutes in the oven under the broiler. You just take your chicken carnita filling, put it onto a corn taco shell. Add a little bit of red onion, a little bit of cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice. And you have a delicious chicken carnitas taco. Or you can put this over cilantro lime rice, cauliflower cilantro lime rice.